Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today is we're still over here at the dyno. We've concluded our quadrajet testing, but I've got something really special to bring y'all. We're going to test the Edelbrock VRS on the dyno against the quadrajet. Now the quadrajet threw up some really impressive numbers. So here's the deal. We made 480 horsepower, 494 pound-feet of torque with the quadrajet. So will the Edelbrock do better? At this point, I have no idea, because that's a 750. The quadrajet is supposedly 800 CFM. Does it matter? I think if the Edelbrock beats it, it'll be because it has a much better developed fuel curve and the fuel is being atomized better, which will make more torque. So let's get in here and get this CARB swap. So the quadrajet set a pretty high bar, didn't it?
I would say.
I mean, I came into this thinking the quadrajet would not run. So we're going to put the VRS on it here by Edelbrock. See, it's a 750, has annular boosters, old, new. I will say, that does not look pretty. That looks pretty. Not pretty. Pretty. Which one makes more power? We're getting ready to find out. So here, let's talk about this. This is like comparing what, an apple to a watermelon, or maybe?
Yeah.
So this Edelbrock here is brand new, the VRS 4150. We finished up the dyno curves with the quadrajet and it did really good. What was 475 and 494 pound-feet of torque. Now, mind you, this is the disclaimer at the bottom. Air-fuel ratio was what? It was 11?
Like high 11s, low 12s.
Which is not optimal.
Not ideal, no.
Now, this carburetor is literally right out of the box. I haven't touched it. We just bolted it on. So, what it's going to do is anybody's guess. So, fire it up and see what we have. Okay, this might be a shocker. I don't know.
Now we want to have a little
fuel ratio is really right dead on.
Yeah, it's right in the window. All right. Moment of truth. It sounds rowdy. The sound equal power.
500.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
501.
501.
Oh, he's gonna be happy as a dog.
And 5.
Oh my, is he gonna be happy? Call him in here.
Let's see what the air fuel ratio is.
Get in here.
Oh, look at the air fuel ratio, much better. Oh, it's actually leaning out.
But look at it, 500, 500. That's great. But you hit it, right?
Air fuel.
Manifold pressure is not changing whatsoever up until 6,200.
That's low.
See?
That's perfect.
It's perfect. So you can literally say that the quadrojet, is it quadrojet?
Yeah, quarter jet.
Is basically choking the engine a little bit.
Yeah.
Put the air fuel ratio back on there. Oh my God.
See, 12.6, 12.4.
Yeah.
Out of the box.
If you average those, it's pretty close.
Yeah,
you gotta get the carburetor.
That is completely out of the box carburetor.
Wow.
Oh wow, look at that. You're in the 300s when it comes to
brake specific.
That's pretty
What's
good.
the lowest it get?
Yeah. It is in the 300s. Like people are having a hard time getting under 0.4.
Yeah, that is good. Ooh.
Yeah, that's really good. That's really good brake specific right there. Because it's leaner and it makes more power.
Yeah.
You know?
So
uses less fuel, makes more power.
Can I get a picture of that curb?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, overlay the best quadrojet to that.
Let's see, where are we? Which was the best quadrojet?
Would be the one before this was.
The last one? Or was it the one without the...
The one without the cleaner, probably 2 test bags.
Yeah.
It was 475, yeah.
Wow.
No, that was not it. That was the one with the
That's
jet.
insane, dude.
So it's not 3X.
Not bad for marketplace special, baby.
It's 386.
Little cam.
probably.
Little can.
I think this might be...
It was $494.
Let's do this. Let's take this guy. Okay. This is... The black one is now the... Edelbrock.
So the black is the Edelbrock and the red is the quadrojet.
Yep.
Let me slide over here and get it.
That's significant. That is significant. Edelbrock.
Looks like I might have to change.
That is 500.1, 505. Our correction factor was right about the same. On the run, it was probably what, 1.28? 1.028?
So right now it's is this the current one? Yeah, right now it's 1.034, so it's
Okay.
3.4%.
Yeah.
And the previous one, oh, we have to, I have to over it here, hang on a second. 386. That's 1.30, so slightly more.
Yeah.
But point, like, not even whole percent, like 0.4%.
So, in the quadrojet's defense, it was running richer than the Edelbrock. I mean, could we get that kind of power? I'm not going to say yes or no, because that's speculation. It may be close, I don't know. But I do know that for an out-of-the-box carburetor, this thing just delivered an amazing fuel curve throughout the entire pull, and we've seen over 500 horsepower, which is what, 25
That
up?
was really right on the nose, right on the nose.
Yeah, 500 on the nose and 505 torque, so. VRS-4150, folks. So, we just wrapped up the dyno testing with the VRS-4150, and man, it delivered the goods. William Spivey at Edelbrock put together a masterpiece of the carburetor. The air-fuel ratio was dead perfect throughout the pull. I know that it wasn't a fair comparison against the quadrojet, but I've got to know. It's like the movie Dirty Harry when the guy's got 5 or 6 bullets. I just had to find out what this thing would do. So what you're going to get to see next from these carburetors is I'm putting them on Casper. We're going to do some chassis dyno testing against the Dominators to see if these can dethrone the king of carburetors. So until next time, this is Andy from Unity Motorsports Garage. This is Dennis.
We'll see you next time.
Catch y'all later.